Want to learn how to do this? Then watch this video. Upload a black background into your CapCut. Type your text, zoom in the text, then you go to animation and choose swipe right. Increase the duration to about 1 second. Adjust your text to whatever you like and save to your gallery. Now upload the video you want to work with back to your gallery and overlay the video you saved earlier. Extend it till it covers the entire distance. Then click splice and choose darken. The overlay, duplicate it and drag it to the end. Click the first one, choose mask and choose horizontal. Then click the second one, go to mask still and still choose horizontal, but then type invite this time around. At the beginning, put your keyframe, go to the ending, put your keyframe, then drag it to the ending. That's on the first overlay. Go to the second overlay, repeat the same thing. That's click the beginning, put your keyframe at the beginning, good, choose horizontal, then drag it down still. If you did it well, then you should get this. Follow for more. Thank you.